Hi everyone, this is V and welcome to the channel. Today I am tackling the fan. I am still on my deck painting and looked up and said, you know what? The fan needs a little bit of love. So what I did first was I went ahead and I cleaned the fan with soap and water, and then I use regular water just to wash it down, and I went over it with some rubbing alcohol to make sure nothing else is on the fan. So I prepped it really good, and now we're going to get ready to paint. Fan right here have seen better days. I'm going to go ahead and tape, no, I'm not going to tape the light bulb area off. That's going to take me too much time. I mean, eventually it's going to come down, but for now I want it to look pretty to get away the rust from it. So I'm going to go get my spray paint and I'm going to change the color of this. So this is what I'm going to need to do the fan. So what I'm going to do is use the box and cut a little area out to go over here and put it up, and then put the box in between here and paint it out and spray it out. So now that I'm going to use my Hot Pocket box to cover the area so I would not spray the ceiling of the covered deck. So I bought these spray paint here at Walmart, and I paid, I think was 96 cents a can. And I'm going to use, I want to spray this like more like a oil rub bronze, but what I'm going to do is use this black paint here because it's cheaper for 96 cents to cover it most of the way. And then I'm going to come in with a more expensive paint to, well, the purpose of that, so I would not have to use have to buy this for like $6 again, the more expensive paint versus the one for 96 cents. And that's what I do, like when I will spray paint something, I use the cheaper under and the more expensive to do like a nice finish. So let me go ahead and take off the globe. I don't think I'll use that globe anymore. I might get another one from the secondhand store. But let me take this one off and then start spraying. So this is what we have here right now. And I'm not going to remove the light bulb. I'm going to switch out the light bulb. When we purchased the home, these light bulbs was there. So I will go ahead and just start spraying. And like I said, I'm using the cheaper paint. I'm using the cheaper paint to save money. And I wanted to paint this first before I finish off the deck with the last coat of paint, so paint is not like on the ground. So that's all I'm doing. And then I could go over the blade, like getting up on, because I'll do the top side of it too. And just keep spraying. And that's the cheaper paint that I'm using. And then I'm going to go over it with the Rust-Oleum. I could have done it white, but I thought, you know, black would look much better until this whole place is done over because I have different intentions for here eventually. So I'm even spraying the chain. And like I said, I'm not worried about the light bulb. I'm just trying not to get the paint inside of the hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a couple coats and then come back and show you. So now we're doing the top side of it, and like I say, you just keep spraying, and you want to do like long strokes of spray so you get that more of a professional spray job. And I'm trying to do it in like one strip so there's no like indentation. You can't tell where the paint stopped. So I'm going to just use my can now and just tap the area so I could get to the other side, and then just start spraying again. So my reason now for putting the box, use a harder surface to put the box up here, is that I wouldn't get any paint on my ceiling. And if ever there's any paint, it'll be like so little, I could use like a little dab of a paintbrush with white paint to get it back together. But I think the box worked because I cut it the circle deep enough that it could go in between to act as a barrier. So I am absolutely loving it. Look, it looks like a beautiful Nighthawk. Look how pretty this fan looks. And like I said, I'm gonna go over it with some of the more expensive paint to give it like a little luster, even though I did use the semi-gloss cheaper paint from Walmart. But I think it looks great, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Look how great it looks. I'm gonna leave it for a couple hours for it to dry, and then I'll come back and show you. This is what the finished product is looking like, and I absolutely love it. Let me turn the fan on, and look, oh my god, it's so pretty. It actually looked like a new fan. So I'm loving the black. Let me spray some of the other spray on it that I said that I want to do for $2. Actually $2.50, because I use a half a can of another one to just go over it. And this is the spray right here that I got from Walmart for like 97 cents or 69 cents. So let me use a little bit of this one here, and that's Rust-Oleum Oil Rub Bronze, and see if I want to do it a little different. So let me turn the fan off, let the speed go down, and then I will spray it a little bit and we will see which one we like better. Guys, I think I am loving the black. I don't think that I will change it. I am loving the way that it looks. It looks like a black helicopter to me. Let me put on the blades and you're gonna see it spinning. I can't, 2.5 cans of spray paint. Let's see how it looks. This is looking like a Black Hawk helicopter to me. I am not gonna change it. I think I'm gonna leave it this color. And I'm gonna put a clear globe in the bottom. I'm gonna go to the thrift store and see if I find one that will fit in that area. I think I'm absolutely loving this. So I guess that's it for the fan. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification that when I upload videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. And I think I am loving it. Let me see if I could turn the lights on. Well, the bulb is a little bit dull for me spraying it. Let me put some other bulbs in here and see. I was able to find like just one light bulb, but still I am loving the black because I plan to do like black accessories out here. So guys, again, please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification, and when I upload videos you want the first to be notified. Thanks for watching.